So we are being put in the water today. We have watched boat after boat be put in and out of the water. We are waiting for our turn to get into the water. So this is the last day, hopefully, that half dozen is on the hard. We are wanting to get in the water and get going. We are excited to get out there, to get to the Bahamas, to get out of this cold weather.
Very exciting.
They're putting in the boat right now. It's right there. They're gonna lift it up. It's a hydraulic system, and they're gonna lift up the boat, push that up, and it's gonna pick up the boat and basically be on stilts for the next little bit until they can get in the water. It's kind of scary. They're moving. We are in the water. We are finally off the hard.
Ty and Aiden's new toy just arrived. They are very, very excited.
Now it should be my turn to drive.
The first time should be your time to drive.
Yes.
Safety precautions. Connor putting on his life jacket.
You gotta wrap it around your body.
We're going on our first dinghy ride in the new dinghy that just arrived. See if it runs any faster than the last slow dinghy that we had with all of us. We successfully returned from our first dinghy ride. The boat moves very fast. It was a good time. So now we have to get it fixed up so that it can be put on the divots and race. Hopefully it fits well because it's a big boat. All right, dinghy has been prepared and now it's about to go up on its davits.
Come out the front.
Is it out?
Done. No more cars. Cars are gone. Dinghy's mounted. Boat's ready to sail. We've got a big sail on Sunday.
It is the night before our first sail on our own, and here is the weather. Ty is in there trying to chart where we're going to be going. Brody and Joey are fishing, and it is so foggy. It was foggy this morning, it is foggy now. Hopefully it'll be clear skies tomorrow. Nice wind, no beating, smooth passage, No issues. That's what we're hoping for. Kids are saying.
Let's go. So we're headed out.
We are leaving St. Augustine, heading south, trying to reach the bridge by 7:30. They only open the bridge every half hour. And just like that, we made it through the Bridge of Lions and we are off, headed south.
There's some faint land over there. We're rocking and rolling. Connor's at the helm today. Connor, go ahead and tell us a little bit about today's situation.
We're going right now 8 knots. We are going all on sail, and it's really wavy.
So for some reason our autopilot wasn't working this morning, so I hit reset on it, but the seas haven't been calm enough for me to recalibrate it, so we're going to hand steer.
So far we've had one of the engines went out. Autopilot is not working at all. The tack on the jib came off. A fan just dropped out of the ceiling and was hanging and swinging. So a few fun things. Hopefully Ty can get some sleep because autopilot, no auto. How you doing, Connor?
Good. Not seasick anymore.
That's good. How you feeling, Mish?
Good.
You're glad to be out of St. Augustine?
Today has been a good day. We are heading to Fort Pierce, and we have a beautiful sunset. Hey, we just barely got a fish. Aiden is trying to breathe fluid in, and it seems to be working, I think. You have it? You're like 5 feet away.
I'm not a mile at least.
And Mom, you're really far away from me. No, Mom's not like a mile. Mom's more like 10. This makes our boat look so much bigger. Okay, boys, we're about to break the rules. We're gonna video somebody videoing. Dun, dun, dun.
We're almost to Fort Pierce, and Brody and Aiden are out flaking the mainsail.
Who's driving this thing?
Is autopilot on?
Autopilot into the wind.
The autopilot is kind of like a person. It doesn't really know what to do. It's just kind of guessing.
Why do you say that much now?
Because it's been sitting at the same spot, turning like this for the past like 5 minutes.
It's turning into the wind, so that
It's like the wheel is turning. We're not actually moving them.
It's trying to stop us from moving.
No, but it's trying to get it back to 180, but it's not working.
No, it's trying to stay in the wind. Okay.
Can't go.
It's not. It doesn't really care about 180 right now. It's trying to stay into the wind.
So we're almost done flaking the mainsail, and then we can continue to enter the inlet and find a place to anchor. It's gorgeous out here. The water is pretty blue, a lot better than the disgusting green-brown that we came from.
We're not going on a schedule.
No, we are in distress. Please help us. Thank you.
Why would they not respond? We are in distress. We're not gonna make it to the Bahamas for Christmas.
Red right return. So since we're entering the inlet, the red buoy needs to be on our right. Red right return. So.
The current going out right now, it's like 4 foot per, I don't know what they measure it by, but it looks like a river. Fortunately, the wind is with the current, making not for big waves. I'm glad we did our shakedown cruise and had some shaking and down, and a few things broke, but that's what we did it for. Figure out what's going to break, and now we get to fix them. I think we realized what beating really means. We beat to win for half a day or more. We got beat up because of it, and we didn't like it, so we won't go beating anymore. We'll go try some downwind sailing and see the magic of that.